All right, Beck, what's our game plan?
To get it as high as we can and poke it with this.
With this, here we go. We spent a lot of time in the trees lately. What you laughing at? First time in a tree, I asked myself, same question a lot of people ask themselves, how on earth am I gonna get that down? That is the action cam. That is the drone. Getting stuck in a tree can become a little repetitive. 2 days in a row. Getting good at climbing trees. It can also become a little discouraging. So I have now officially got stuck in the tree 3 days in a row. I find myself talking to my phone sometimes, analyzing why I'm here. What on earth am I doing? Sometimes I ask myself, is it me? Can't create barriers, limits, or is that a sign I should give up, surrender? Or is it some sign of challenging yourself, determination, progress? Or is this just part of getting better? Or do I just really suck? I don't know. It's not even in the tree I thought it was in. I just spotted it. Well, here's a couple examples of what we did to get him down. There it is. Bingo.
Oh!
We're going after it.
To get it as high as we can and poke it with this.
Yeah, drop the pole before you fall out of the tree. Sometimes you just gotta climb the tree yourself.
He's climbing!
Oh yeah, we got the reach. Is it gonna fall on you, Beck?
No, it'll fall that way.
Oh, we were worried about it hitting Beck, and yes, it almost hit him. Sometimes that special someone might come around and lend a helping hand. See it? Oh, it's so close. There you go. Oh, dang. Thank you. And when you can't find any good people, you can always make your kids help you. Drone has been retrieved. How's it doing, Cole?
Good.
Go home and get a pole. Did find a rock. The rock is closer than home. Ants. More birds. Birds everywhere. Where are you? Get me out of here. Oh, they're still biting me. Ow. Ow. Gonna bite me. Those are sharp. Come here, buddy. Everything's gonna be okay. Oh, you are so tangled up in this stupid stuff. Ow. Oh, there you are. Get over there. You're safe. Camera. Oh, hi. Everything's gonna be okay. Wow, that sucked.
They won't hurt you.
What did we learn today?
Don't get John stuck in the tree.
Nothing. It's upside down. What did we learn today?
I think this home to put nails inside. It's not a limb.